Hi guys, it's cleaning day. So I read this book a few years ago. It's called The Life-Changing Art of Magic. Wait, The Life-Changing Magic of Tidying Up. And this is by Marie Kondo. And it's a book about how to clean up and declutter and just really purge everything that you don't need, that's not necessary, and it helps you see what you really have and what you want to use. So I made the horrible mistake of reading this book on a Sunday, and it got me so inspired to just clean everything out, and I was up till like 2 in the morning cleaning up all my stuff on a Sunday. So I'm not going to do that again, but it did really help me the way they teach you to fold your clothes, to make more room in the drawers, and it made sense and it worked for me, and it's worked for me for a few years now. So some of my drawers have gotten messy in my dresser, and I am going to KonMari tidy them up. With spring around the corner, if anyone is looking to do some spring cleaning, this was an awesome book to really like motivate me, and it'll probably work for you. So I will leave more information down below if you guys are interested in reading that book as well. But for today, I know that I like watching decluttering videos and seeing what different people use, what their methods are. So I am going to set up the camera and I will kind of fast forward while I go through and declutter, but I'll show you all the drawers before, and then I'll fast forward the clip of me cleaning, and then I'll show you the drawers after. So let's get going. Okay, here is my dresser, and it is actually in our dining room because there is no room for it anywhere else. And it kind of works as like a buffet. When we have family dinners, we can lay everything out on the buffet and serve that way. So as you can see, some clothes didn't even make it into the dresser. So the first drawer I can't even get open. This has all of my like pajamas and some other things in here. This drawer is supposed to be sports bras and regular bras. These are, again, can't even get this open. These are all of my workout tank tops and workout sweatshirts and quarter zips, long sleeves. These are all of my what's supposed to be capris, shorts, and long pants for workout. And then this top drawer is like some dress pants and jeans in here. So let's get tidying. The playlist I am using for today's motivation is Workout Twerkout on Spotify. It's awesome. Give it a listen. So I am going to show you the finished result now. Here is the first row of pajamas. I have my cats drinking wine. These are from my dad. I have my cat nightie from Evan's grandma, and plaid pajamas that we had from a family Christmas picture. Common theme here with the cats. Next drawer are the sports bras, regular bras. Now we have workout tops, so these are workout tank tops, t-shirts, and then these are like the built-in sports bra workout tops. So now they are all nicely folded, and I can tell what they are by the color here since they're all standing up on their edge. Top one, this is my jeans. These had to go sideways. These are some work pants and other gray, black, tan work pants. Workout, now we have capris on this side, shorts and my long sweatpants, and then long leggings on this side. Some fun colors back there. And last but not least, we have quarter zips, some Chicago and Red Wings shirts, and then some Spartan and other long t-shirts. That is a wrap. We are done and organized. And then I have a couple, I have a small pile here that is going to donate some old sorority tank tops and quarter zips and some jeans that are just not gonna fit. So that is all I have for today. I hope you enjoyed this video of decluttering. So that's all. Bye.